Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this April the 17th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Thursday out there so far. Everybody has a great Thursday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the storm system here moving across the country. And also, we got a few out here in the tropical Atlantic. You can see a cold front stretching from the north central tropical Atlantic all the way down toward the north of Puerto Rico. Got a lot of scattered activity over South America. Also got a cluster of showers and storms across the eastern Pacific. Also into a little subtropical jet trying to get its act together, moving into a portion of Mexico and also into Texas. You can see you got a storm system up here over portions of the Great Lakes region, stretching into South Canada. Also got more activity from portions of Montana to Wyoming back to Southern California as well. Excuse me. Got a little bit of activity also down in portions of the Yucatan Channel as well, and a little bit across Mexico and the Baja area of California. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue getting the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see we got some shower activity across portions of Newfoundland, New Brunswick, Maine, portions of New Hampshire, Vermont, and New York State. Got thunderstorms and showers from portions of western New York State to Ohio, down to Texas, up to Oklahoma, to Kansas, up toward Minneapolis, Minnesota region, also toward northern Michigan, Wisconsin region as well, also around Lake Huron, Lake Superior. You got some severe weather stretching from Michigan all the way back into North Texas. You got some flash flooding over portions of Oklahoma, up into Missouri and southeast Kansas. Also got some critical fire weather over West Texas and portions of New Mexico. Got mixed precipitation in Arizona to New Mexico to Nebraska to South Dakota and portions of Minnesota, North Dakota, and some snow activity, showers that is expected over portions of North Dakota, Montana, Wyoming, portions of Nebraska, Colorado, Utah, and Wyoming region as well. Even got a little bit of rain showers and mixed precipitation over central and southern California regions as well. A little bit of mixed precipitation also up in Washington State also. Alrighty, otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Friday. Alright, here's a look at your Saturday forecast. You can see we got some shower activity from New Brunswick to Maine, a portion of New Hampshire, Vermont. Then we got from thunderstorms and showers from portions of New York State to portions of Connecticut, Pennsylvania, to Oklahoma, all the way down into Texas, Kansas, Nebraska, and Iowa region, and also Michigan. Also got some severe weather from Texas and the portion of Missouri. Also got some flash flooding possible from Texas, also in the portion of Illinois. Also got some mixed precipitation portions of Kansas, Colorado, New Mexico, Arizona, Utah. Then again in Montana, Idaho, and Washington State as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Saturday. Alright, now let's take a look at your current watches warning advisory map of your location across the nation. Should be coming up here in a minute. Alright, here we go. We got some special weather statements up in New York State, also in portions of Georgia. River flood warnings still continue for portions of Illinois, Kentucky, Arkansas, Mississippi, also Louisiana. Flood watches in effect for portions of Illinois, Missouri, down in portions of Arkansas, also Oklahoma and southeastern portions of Kansas. Severe thunderstorm watches for a couple counties and areas of Wisconsin, some in Minnesota, and also the Iowa region as well. Special weather statements also there. Tornado watches in effect for southwestern Iowa, down into eastern Nebraska, with a few tornado warnings and severe thunderstorm warnings as well. Red flag warnings stretching from southern Nebraska to Kansas to Oklahoma to Texas to areas of New Mexico, Arizona, and Colorado. High wind warnings in effect there as well from New Mexico and the portion of North Texas, also in Oklahoma. Winter weather advisory and winter storm warnings in effect for portions of Montana, Wyoming, portion of a few counties here in Nebraska, also Colorado, Utah, and some wind advisories also in effect for portions of Arizona, also Southern California, Nevada, portions of Oregon, and Idaho region as well. You got one county there with a winter weather advisory in portions of northern areas of Arizona. Small craft advisory, gale warning stretching up here from New York City all the way down toward Wakefield, Virginia. Then again from areas of Lake Charles, Louisiana to Brownville, Texas. Then again from over here near San Francisco Bay all the way up to Seattle, Washington. Also we got some flood advisories and some small craft and and portions of the northern island. Southern island got some winter weather advisories. Blizzard warnings to the north. Small craft advisory around the Alaska region as well. Alright, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook. This is for your Friday. You can see we got general thunderstorms in portions of Cedar City, Utah to Flagstaff over toward Grand Junction. General thunderstorm from Watertown all the way down toward just north of Waco, Liberal, Kansas, also to La Crosse. And then we got that marginal risk from Green Bay down to just east of Midland. Then from Abilene, Texas, all the way up to Milwaukee, Wisconsin. We're looking at a slight risk of severe weather for your Friday. Here's a look at the tornado probability. 5% over Oklahoma, portion of Texas. Then from Abilene all the way to Milwaukee, 2% risk. Damaging winds look like this. 5% in the brown, 15% in the yellow. Like I say, the slight risk from Abilene to Milwaukee for damaging winds. Large hail from Abilene to Milwaukee. The greatest threat is large hail look like this from near Oklahoma City, Norman, Fort Steele, and also Wichita Falls and surrounding areas as well. Alright, let's move on to day number 3. Okay, should be coming up here in a minute. Here we go. Alright, general thunderstorms around Grand Junction to Durango, Colorado. Then from Liberal to Midlands area, Texas. From Liberal, Kansas, all the way up to Portland, Maine. General thunderstorm. Memphis, Tennessee. You're included. Shreveport, Lupkin, marginal risk, San Antonio, all the way to Cleveland and Pittsburgh area. Springfield, all the way down to Abilene, and also Southwest Texas included as well. Probability looks like this: 5 and 15% respectively in the severe risk area. Alright, here's a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook for day number 4. Here's a look at it here: Lupkins to Alexander, Shreveport, all the way up to St. Louis, Jefferson City, Springfield, Memphis, Little Rock. 15% risk area for severe weather. Let's take a look at day 5. Predictability too low. Day 6, potential too low. Day 7, potential too low. Day 8, predictability too low. Alright, but let's take a look at day 4 one more time. This is your slight risk area here in the yellow. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. We'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Thursday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.